Hello again. I am having a lovely cup of tea in the kitchen. I was wondering, do you have any hobbies? Or do you like doing any activities? Today I'm going to the tennis club to play tennis with Hugh. We like playing sports at the weekend. What activities do you do at the weekend? Do you play tennis? After playing tennis, Hugh and I have lunch at the tennis club. I am having a salad. I love salads.
And I'm having a veggie sandwich. Would you like to join us?
Now we're back home in the garden and I'm reading a book. I love reading books. What is your favourite book? While I read a book, Hugh does the gardening. He loves our garden. Do you have a garden? What is your favourite book? Do you like plants?
Now I am mowing the lawn while Susan is reading her book. I love gardening and the weather is nice today. Do you like gardening? It's very relaxing.
Well, we have done a lot of activities today. What about you? What activities do you like? Have you got a garden? Do you play tennis? Oh gosh, look at the time. You must excuse me, I must get supper. Supper is the meal we have in the evening. Bye for now. See you next time. Now, just for you to understand, to mow the lawn is to cut the grass. So, Hugh was mowing the lawn. Also, at the tennis club, I had a salad and Hugh had a vegetable sandwich, which we call veggie. So, now maybe you would like to watch the video again to see how we use these words. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Bye for now. See you next time.